Finding the courage to change, breaking out of isolation. I have a habit of isolating. I really enjoy being by myself. I dislike crowds. I love being at home and try to get others to run my errands or do the family shopping. My preference is to be at home doing my own thing. Some of my experiences in life made me very wary of non family. I had some family relationships that were difficult and unpredictable. If I couldn't figure family out, how could I understand or trust non family? I first discovered the value of other perspectives during the breakup of a love relationship. I was sad, confused, angry, and disappointed. I felt so alone. One day, I flipped the radio to a country music station. It was music that he would never, ever listen to. I was stunned. Song after song, people were singing about my life, my problems, and my experiences. I had felt so alone and isolated. There was a whole category of music where people sang beautifully about my life. I wasn't alone after all. Slowly, I'm learning to do something that is new and unfamiliar. I'm learning to connect to other people. I'm learning to pick up the phone and make a call. I'm learning to be available for others. I'm learning to make friends and to be a friend. I've discovered the value of other perspectives. Connecting with other people is a way to connect source energy. The next person I speak with might have the answer I've been searching for. When I stop isolating, I'm connecting to something greater than myself. That feels so good.